Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is I ate a low protein diet for 12 years and this is what happened. And what ended up happening was I broke my record on pull-ups. I got to 25 pull-ups, not on this video specifically, but just recently. So I got the more pull-ups than I ever had in my life, and push-ups as well, broke that record. So I've been doing this for a while, like I said, over 12 years. I'm 45 years old. I'm going to be showing you what I ate recently in a day. These are some clips from a recent workout. If you're new to my channel, I've been strength training recently for just a couple of days a week, about 2 days a week of strength training, and I've been running 3 days a week, so I've been working out 5 days a week. And my workouts are pretty simple. On the strength training days, I stick to mostly body weight exercises like pull-ups, push-ups, and jump squats, and I just do 2 sets of each. So it's about 6 sets twice a week, and that's it for strength training. And then on my runs, I'm doing one longer running day, which is going to be between 6 and 10 miles, and then a couple of shorter days that's going to be between 3 and 5 miles. So my workout's real simple. I generally work out at 11 a.m. in the morning, fasted before I have any food. I drink water throughout the morning, and then my workout's at 11, and then I break my fast around 1 p.m. with my first meal. So on this day, it was at 12:30, I started off with a smoothie. And in this smoothie, I had 3 dates. I had 1 cup of frozen blueberries. I had 1 tablespoon of cacao powder, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and 4 frozen ripe bananas. Now for the bananas, what I do is I freeze them with the peel on once they're nice and ripe, and then I throw them in a tub of hot water for about 4 minutes, and then they just come right out the peel. I like the consistency on that with the smoothie. And I also had 1 cup of coconut water and 1 cup of almond milk. So a good way to start it, I generally start my first meal with either a smoothie or some water, some fruit that's high in water content. The next step at 3 p.m., I had a big bowl of watermelon. Super delicious and hydrating, nice and refreshing. Next up at 4 p.m. I had a bowl of strawberries. Been getting some really good strawberries in as well. Then at 6 p.m. I went to a restaurant, had some plantains, and I had a veggie bowl. It had rice, beans, mixed veggies, some chips and guacamole, salsa, lettuce, and tomatoes. So that was it. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook. In the description box, I have some delicious recipes I make regularly. And make sure you give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Subscribe for more videos. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.